Hello everyone, welcome to ComfyEating. Today we are going to make a quick, healthy and delicious chickpea salad that's perfect for busy singles or college students. So let's get started. Firstly, we will need to take 1 cup of soaked chickpeas in a cooker. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and enough water to cover them. Now we will need to pressure cook this for 4 to 5 whistles. Now by this time we will make our veggies ready. For this I've taken half of 1 large carrot, 2 small tomatoes, 1 medium-sized onion and half of 1 large cucumber. You can add any veggies of your choice like capsicum, boiled potato, peas or cabbage. We need to dice these veggies into bite-sized pieces. You can use green chilies 1 or 2 depending on your spice level. Chop the coriander as well. Now you can see our chickpeas is nicely cooked, and make sure you open the pressure cooker 10 to 15 minutes after switching off the flame. Now drain all the chickpeas. Now into a pan add 1 tablespoon of oil and add our drained chickpeas into it and saute for a minute or 2. To this now we add the spices. Half teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and we saute this for a minute or 2 till the spices are nicely combined. Finally, we add half teaspoon of cumin powder and we give it a good stir so that everything is well combined, and then we switch off the flame. To a large bowl add all our cut vegetables, that is onion, tomatoes, carrot, cucumber, green chilli, and mix everything. And to this now we add our sorted chickpea. Give everything a very good mix so that all the ingredients are nicely mixed. To this we add chopped coriander and salt to taste. So here is our healthy chickpea salad ready. Squeeze fresh lime juice over the salad just before serving. This will help keep the salad fresh and crisp and also prevent it from soggy. Enjoy this healthy salad and thank you for watching.